Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Fun English channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to study English for beginners. If you are just starting to learn English, don't worry. This video will guide you step by step. Just relax, listen carefully, and try to follow along. Part 1. Start with the basics. First, start with the basics. Learning English is like building a house. You need a strong foundation. So begin with the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, all the way to Z. Practice writing each letter and saying them out loud. Next, learn simple words such as numbers, 1, 2, 3. Colors, red, blue, green. Everyday objects, book, pen, table. Try to repeat these words every day. Repetition is very important. Part 2. Learn basic grammar. Now, let's talk about grammar. Grammar helps you form correct sentences. Start with simple structures like, I am a student. You are my friend. She is happy. Learn how to use I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Take your time. Don't rush. Part 3. Practice listening. Next, practice listening. Listening helps you understand how English sounds. You can listen to simple English songs, watch cartoons, or watch short videos for beginners. At first, you may not understand everything, and that's okay. Just keep listening every day. Part 4. Practice speaking. Now let's practice speaking. Speaking is very important. Many beginners feel shy, but don't be afraid to make mistakes. Try to speak English every day. Talk to your friends, talk to your teacher, or practice by yourself. You can stand in front of a mirror and say, hello, my name is, I am from, I like. This will help you become more confident. Part 5. Practice reading. Next, reading. Start with easy materials like short stories, simple books, or basic English texts. Read slowly and try to understand each sentence. When you see a new word, write it down and learn it. Part 6. Practice writing. Now let's practice writing. Start with simple sentences about your daily life. I wake up at 7 a.m. I have breakfast. I go to school. Try to write every day, even just a few sentences. Part 7. Build vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important. Try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day. For example, food, rice, bread, milk. Places, school, market, home. Actions, eat, go, play. Write them in a notebook and review them regularly. Part 8. Make a study routine. Consistency is key. You can make a simple daily plan. 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes writing. Even a short time each day can help you improve a lot. Part 9. Stay motivated. Learning English takes time. Sometimes you may feel tired or discouraged, but don't give up. Think about your goal. Study, work, travel, communication. Keep going. You can do it. Part 10. Practice every day. Finally, practice every day. English is a skill. The more you use it, the better you become. Start today. Don't wait. Closing. All right, that's the end of today's lesson. I hope this video helps you learn how to study English as a beginner. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.